Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's mukbang is about deep fried oysters. Deep fried oysters, fish chips, and these beautiful prawns from Australia, guys. From Australia. Anyway, and my drink today, I thought I'd try it out. It's fruit salad by Sam's. Not advertising for that person, the owner of Sam's drink, but I'm just mentioning who makes. Anyway, can you see my? Can you see my hashtag Polytube, guys? Yes, hashtag Polytube. Anyway, guys, so you know, I had a bit more chips in this, but the kids have come in and taken it. How's everyone doing? Anyway, my neighbour next door decided he'll bring out his dog today and then go to work. So the little thing is having a little sook. It's missing his daddy. Okay, guys. Anyway, okay, giving my thanks, you know, as you do. Look at my dangling earrings from Sama. $5 a pair. Anyway, guys. Oh, I have forgotten to bring my my bowl for my prawn bones. See, prawn bones, not the shell, it's the bones. Anyway, guys, let's dig into this oyster. You know what I've done? I went and asked him, can I have a dozen large oysters, right? The ones from Australia. And I told them to deep fry it for me, and that's exactly what they done. And I've gotten the sauce that they make there, and there you go, that's your one. Now, I was gonna have them raw, but yeah. So I've got a piece of fish. Hey guys. These oysters are so lovely. Okay. Oyster. Put the lemon all over it. Even the pips. Oh, so lovely. Oh no. I know I should have had some raw ones, but I just didn't feel like raw ones today. Maybe another mukbang. Alright. Let's see how this drink. Oh, you hear the pop? There's probably something pop behind you. Cheers, guys. It's got pineapple, orange, mango, and passion fruit. Let's see how it goes. Well, it's thick instead of watery. Well, obviously it's nice I've taken a second sip straight away. Because I'm that sort that when I don't like something, it's hard to. Oi, yang ada lah, yeah. Yeah, so eat. Yeah. This is the 100,000s, guys. Praise. It's nice and sweet. Let us dig into these prawns. Okay. I got my nice tablecloth. Maybe colourful green. Green for the sea. Hey, that'll be a dirty sea if it's green, huh? Okay, there's some green seeds around, guys. There's some parts of the sea that's green. Okay, and there's some parts that's really nice and, you know, blue. Aqua blue, beautiful blue. And I think that will be in Otautaki. In Otautaki, guys. Okay, that's where I've seen the bluest sea. Anyway. Ooh. Okay. Yum, you guys. I know it's got the poo-poo thing in it, but guess what, guys? It's boiled. Okay, boiled. I won't put it down in case I've read about it either. Yeah, guys. Oh, get out of my nail. Oh my gosh. Get out of my nail. Look, guys. Yeah, I got my nails done for the first time. I really got a manicure. Because my sister was here from Melbourne, and she wanted to go and get her nails done. So what did Copycat do? Go along and have a try for the first time. I didn't really want to do it, but I just wanted to know what it felt like. And I'm telling you, I do not like it. I'm telling you why. Okay? They look so beautiful. So girly. But I always do like my cooking and stuff like that. You know, I open jars and stuff like that. And then I type on my phone, like, you know, like this. And then I, like, if I if I do this, I'm typing in steak. I look at it and say shell. You know, say something else. And the shell's not even spelled right. I've been wanting deep fried oysters for some time. And guess what, though? 26 tala. $26 for a tray. But they were massive. I really wanted them raw in my mind. But my taste buds saying, go for the deep fried ones. So that's what I done. Taste bud always should win when it's time for food. Anyway, guys, look. Got a piece of fish. Bon appetit. I couldn't find my tartar sauce. My hair. Okay, guys, I'll squeeze this over here. Put my oysters over there. Yeah, love it. Oh, this fish tastes so good. Okay. What's this? Oh, there's a white poo-poo. Normally the line is black. What does that mean? Just prawn didn't poo-poo? Oh, this was sweeter. No. This praise Virgin Islands, so good. It's sweetie, which I love. Yeah, anyway, about my nails. I find it was getting, my older sister said just to, just to try and keep it on a bit more. I'll get used to it, but it's sort of irritating. Irritating to my life. These oysters are so good. How are you guys going anyway? I didn't ask that. Did I ask that? How's everyone going? This is my first mukbang at home before I came, since coming back from Samoa. I've got my niece over here, Fede Maria. I think I want to do a mukbang with her, but it depends on if she's going to stay a bit longer. Or she might not want to. Where's this? These prawns are so massive. Why? They call it shrimp in America. In New Zealand, they're also known as shrimps, now prawns as well. So, this is like orange, thing, right? Yeah. Sometimes it can be a bit bitter, but you just eat it and enjoy it. Guys, have you guys been watching other people's channels online? Quite a lot of islanders coming up with mukbangs too, guys. How cool! Hey, do your videos, guys. Don't think, oh no, it's a bit late, or I'm shy, or don't be akama. Oh, they poo-poo. My poo-poo line. Anyway, oh no, it's not. It's part of this. Anyway, don't be shy, guys. I want to make a movie. Find out with videos. Find out. This one's got a bit too much vinegar, whatever it is. But this one, This one's from the fish and chip shop. Yeah, find out with videos. Don't be shy. You guys want to buy it? Anyway, do your videos, guys. Don't be shy. Don't worry. This is how I said. It's your life. Do what you want. Don't think people won't like it. And if they thumb it down, you just think, oh. If they thumb it down, guys, just go, good. Just motivate me to do more. Motivate me to do whatever I want on YouTube, instead of, just thinking of doing it, but you don't do it. Just do it. Yeah, use your phone. Use your family to be part of it. These prawns. So good. Well, we had lunch at the pub yesterday for 3 of my kids' birthday. And then our 19-year-old wanted us to meet her boyfriend. She's half Cookie, half Samoan. Her boyfriend is a Punjab Indian. Do not laugh at my daughter's boyfriend. Nah, he's a good-looking boy. Seems like my daughter's happy, and that's all that matters, is that he treats my daughter good, and vice versa. She has to treat him good as well. It's not just a one-way relationship, it's a two-way relationship, okay? I said to them, guys, don't treat them like that, because, when their partners come into our lives, they got to be good to them, treat them good. Don't. And they go, but you do that. And I go, oi, your fella's dad is a headache, and sometimes I've got to put him in line. I'm trying to find that poo-poo line. Oh, this one's white too. Oh, good. No black poo-poo line. Okay, me and my obsession of poo-poo line. Yeah. Wait, bear, yeah. So good. My earrings. I got them from Samoa, $5. Made a coconut shell, and then it's the pictures. It's the okay. Hibiscus. That's the picture that's on it, and then it's varnished, and then sold at the market for $5. And you know what, guys? I wasn't, really a fan of wearing these, but hey, I'm gonna buy it. Might as well use it, eh? I know when I got a cook on, and I take some. So if the ladies there like it, give it. Yeah. Then I'll tell them where I got it from. Say Samoa's made these, guys. Okay, ladies. It's good to support your local people when you're overseas. I really enjoyed being in Samoa. But I think my husband wants us now to go to the Cook Islands, right? Go back there because he wants to go and see his kids' land and that he just got off his family. Because when a parent's alive, they want to do things mostly for their kids, right? We're hoping our eldest daughter, named Mitty, take her kids to Cook Island. And she hasn't been there since she was born. So she should go. Yeah. Anyway, guys, the food is lovely. I've got to carry on with you. You know what? Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my videos, right? And leaving comments, funny ones too. I appreciate it. So, guys, I haven't even finished. But I got shout out. Look at my Missy shout out book, guys. Look, bye. Okay. I'm going to shout these guys out, okay? And some are shout outs because they got videos, and some is just that. Yeah, I just want to say hello, okay? Okay, so let me say the first name, guys, for the shout out. Okay, Lena Armani, that lives in Melbourne. I want to say hello to you from Sydney. And then Pania Fraser. Thank you so much, Pania, for always commenting. And Pania's from New Zealand. And then Oceania Mahana. RT Blogs, yeah. RT needs help with subscribers, guys. Or any of these guys that's got videos. If you go check them out and they got channels, please, if you can just, show them a bit of love. Okay, so RT Vlogs is needing some help, guys, please. Okay, and this couple I like watching. I enjoy watching their channel, right? Their name is Hearts in the Ashes. Okay? Oh, good looking couple. Ooh, just like me and my husband. No, they are. Yeah. So the guy's Maori, and the girl is, his wife is Samoan. So show them some love, guys, if you can, you know, just stop by, hear their story. There's quite a few, you know, bits about their life and how they met and stuff like that. That was funny. They're such a good-looking couple. Yeah, like me and my husband. Anyway, that'll be some for. Okay, this one here, Eat Good with Toy, right? Check them out if you got the time, please. Oh, oi. Oi, 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 oi. Okay. Miss Catalina had mentioned to me about these two. These two. It's Jordan Princess and their comedy, you know. Jordan Princess. Comedy. Oh, guys, you should watch them. They're a cracker. You know, because one will act like the wife or something and the other one will act like the husband, you know, so they bring each other, or the other one just, you know, oh, go and watch them, guys. You'll find them funny. They just started their channel. They don't have much, but I tell you what, they're funny. Funny. Oh, my voice, I sound almost like a man. Okay, and guess who I found also? It was about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I couldn't go to sleep, so I thought, oh, I'm going to watch someone online before I go to sleep. But instead of putting me to sleep, this video like kept me laughing in the night. 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm there watching her and laughing. Oh, and listening to her beautiful voice. Go watch her, guys. Her name is Life with Katie B. Okay, Samoan girl. So go and watch her channel, guys. She started singing like beautiful voice. She's almost got a voice like mine, but my one is a bit. My one's like a cat being, you know, strangled. But her voice is. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Back to eating, guys. Back to eating. So, guys, if you guys can, you know, show them some love. And guess what? I just want to say, say. I'm so happy. Okay, I just remembered the I always get it wrong. The Tinania family got to 1,000. 1,000. Woo! I've been rooting for them since they began. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So happy for them. Good one, Tinania family. Good one. 1,000 subscribers. Let's head for 2. Let's head for 2, guys. And so on and so forth. Meiroa. You know why I keep doing this? Because I want you guys to see my nice nails. Because next time you're going to see me, I probably won't have them on. Okay. Yeah, back to the eat. Yeah, ngā. Look at this, guys. The chips are yellow, eh? Do you think they dye it? No. I went to Costco the other day to look for me some king crabs. Ai sa mẹ bộ mà bao mày cũng mà via I king crab fucker my out. What about me? Leave me 5. Okay. Anyway, it's 2 weeks holiday, guys. 2 weeks holiday. So my kids will be home for 2 weeks. And you know what's funny about the Fob families? Okay? Don't get offended by Fob. It's just, you know, our little name that we name each other. But most of us are not. Fresh off the boat. Fresh off the plane. No. Anyway, when the kids are home, you know, they always joke around like, oh yeah, I remember as a kid, I had to do jobs for my 2 weeks. My, you know, kids come back to school and then they say, we went here, there, everywhere. I used to do that as a kid too. Oh, I used to write in a book. My mum took me to the movies, to the pictures. They used to call it back in the days in New Zealand, the pictures. So I write, my mum took me to the pictures, or we went to the beach. Lea ia ni ngā mea, ngana ngofu ngofu e whai puma, whai floor, whai re mopu, whai re a, whai re mea, whai mea uma. Because our parents had to work. So our parents had to work, so the chores was put on us. But hey, guys, why not? Why not? I'm sure they used to do it, you know, my parents used to do it when they were little. When they were kids, were around their parents, you know. Because you got to help your parents, guys. Yeah. Okay, help your parents, listen to your parents. And don't forget, always pray to praise God for everything that you've received in your life. I want to tell my kids, pray. Always show thanks. So guys, okay. You know what? Ooh, that was a burp. Okay, in case you, that was a burp. That was a burp. In case you guys think it came from somewhere else. Ooh. Okay, guys. Okay, bye. Well, go mule boat. All the prawn bones are in here. So, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for always watching, guys, and thank you for stopping by, even if you haven't subscribed yet. But maybe one day you might want to subscribe just to, you know, watch more of my videos. And those who already have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much to 3,200 of you guys that subscribed. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. And see you on my next mukbang. Wha soifua. Wha soifua. Keep it up, guys, with your videos. Please, 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 please. Because I want to come subscribe and watch and enjoy and say hello. Yeah. Oh! Yeah, that's how I get up, guys. That's how I get up.